This is insane. The street trunk is officially back, and it is more powerful than ever. Forget the F-150 Lobo. Forget everything. Fox Factory and Direct Connection just dropped an absolute nuclear bomb on the truck world. It's called the DC650, and it is a 650 horsepower Ram 1500. This thing is a beast. Let's get right to the good stuff. How do you get 650 horsepower? You take the legendary 5.7-liter Hemi V8, a motor we all know and love, and you bolt a massive 3-liter Whipple twin-screw supercharger right on top. This isn't just a tune or an exhaust. This is a real high-performance supercharger that works with the e-torque mild hybrid system. This truck is going to have instant torque and insane top-end power. And the sound! They gave it a full 3-inch catback exhaust system that splits into 2.5-inch twin pipes, dumping out of a pair of huge black 4-inch tips. Can you imagine the sound of this thing? The supercharger whine, the Hemi V8 roar? It's going to be a symphony. This is the muscle truck we have been dreaming of since the old SRT-10 Viper truck. But it's not just a big engine. This is a Fox Factory build, so the suspension is next level. They didn't just chop the springs, they ripped out the stock stuff and put in ride-tech control arms in the front and the rear. That means when you mash the throttle, this thing won't hop around like a kangaroo. It's going to hook and it's going to go. It's running on Fox coilover dampers that are custom tuned just for this truck. And the stance, oh, the stance is perfect. It's dropped 2 inches in the front and a massive 4 inches in the back. It's slammed, it's mean, and it's sitting on these sick 22-inch split-spoke wheels. Those wheels are wrapped in massive 305-width Toyo Proxys tires. This truck has an absolutely killer presence. The looks are just as wild as the performance. It's got a full aero kit, a front splitter with end plates, a custom sport hood with functional heat extractors, and a huge power bump. And right on that bump, it has supercharged badging and gold accents. They carried that gold theme through the whole truck. The tow hooks are powder-coated gold, there's a gold stripe that flows down the side and slams into this awesome matte black 650 Hemi graphic on the bedside. It even has a tailgate spoiler. This is pure, unapologetic aggression. Inside, you can get optional black leather seats with Direct Connection embroidered and gold contrast stitching, and every single one of these trucks gets a unique serialized badge on the center console. You're not just buying a truck, you're buying a limited edition collector's item. Think about this, the new Lobo everyone is talking about, that thing has 400 horsepower. This DC650 has 650. It has 250 more horsepower than the Ford. This isn't a competition, it's a domination. You can even get it in 4-wheel drive to just launch this monster from a standstill. This is it. This is the new king of the street. It's loud, it's fast, and it looks absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to see this beast shredding tires and hunting down sports cars. This is the truck we have been waiting for. You don't want to miss this beast. Hit subscribe to Asphalt 99 for more insane car content.